Hey viewers, I am Zainab here and I am going to share some positive thinking tips with all of you today. Hit the red subscribe button first and the bell icon to be the first one to know anything interesting that I upload. Don't skip the video. Positive thinking is about much more than just being happy or displaying an upbeat attitude. Positive thoughts can actually create real value in our life and help us build skills that last much longer than a smile. The impact of positive thinking on our work, our health, and our life are very much. Positive thinking is a soft and fluffy term that is easy to dismiss. Positive emotions provide an enhanced ability to build skills and develop resources for use. For being positive, what should we do? We should do meditation regularly. Researchers revealed that people who meditate daily display more positive emotions than those who do not. We schedule meetings, conference calls, weekly events, and other responsibilities in our daily routine, but why not schedule time to play? We give some time in playing. Give ourselves permission to smile and enjoy the benefits of positive emotion. We should schedule time for play and adventure so that we can experience joy and explore and build new skills. Many people underestimate us. They try to demoralize us, but if we want to be positive, we have to ignore what other people say or think about us. We have to use our imagination to visualize only favorable and beneficial situations. We should use positive words in our inner dialogues or when we talk to others. We should smile a little more, as this helps to think positively. Once a negative thought enters our mind, we have to be aware of it and endeavor to replace it with a constructive one. If the negative thought returns, we should replace it again with a positive one. Sometimes negative persons also enters in our life, so we have to replace that person with the positive person. This is also a very important tip we should understand. If there are two pictures in front of us, negative and positive pictures, we have to choose to look at one of them and disregard the other. We must focus on positive side of the picture. In case we are experiencing inner resistance and difficulties when replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, we should not give up, but keep looking only at the beneficial, good and happy thoughts in our mind. It doesn't matter what our circumstances are at the present moment. We should think positively, expect only favorable results, and situations and circumstances will change accordingly. It might take some time for the changes to take place, but eventually they will. People around us usually pick our mental moods and are affected accordingly. If we think about happiness, good health, and success, we will cause people to like us and desire to help us because they enjoy the vibrations that positive mind emits. Positive thinking helps in eliminating stress and can even improve our health. Positive thinking doesn't mean that we keep our head in the sand and ignore life's less pleasant situations. Positive thinking just means that we approach unpleasantness in a more positive and productive way. We think the best is going to happen, not the worst. Positive thinking often starts with self-talk. Self-talk is the endless stream of unspoken thoughts that run through our head. These automatic thoughts can be positive or negative. Some of our self-talk comes from logic and reason. Other self-talk may arise from misconceptions that we create because of lack of information. If the thoughts that run through our head are mostly negative, our outlook on life is more likely pessimistic. In our thoughts are mostly positive, we are likely an optimist. Optimists are those who practices positive thinking. We gain many health benefits by positive thinking. Positive thinking increases lifespan, it lowers rates of depression, it lowers levels of distress, it gives resistance to our body. Because of positive thinking, we have better psychological and physical well-being. We have better cardiovascular health and reduced risk of death from cardiovascular disease. We have better coping skills during hardships and times of stress. So, having a positive outlook enables us to cope better with stressful situations, which reduces the harmful health effects of stress on our body. Let us understand it by law of attraction. The law of attraction is the belief that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, a person brings positive or negative experiences into their life. The law of attraction states that every positive or negative event that has happened in our life was attracted to us. It is a law of attraction which uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. If we focus on negative doom and gloom, we will remain under that cloud. If we focus on positive thoughts and have goals that we aim to achieve, we will find a way to achieve them with massive action. This is why the universe is such an infinitely beautiful place, as the law of attraction dictates that whatever can be imagined and held in the mind's eyes is achievable if we take action on a plan to get to where we want to be. The law of attraction states that every positive or negative event that has happened in our life was attracted to us. It simply says that we attract into our life whatever we think about. Once we have come to understand the astounding possibilities that life has to offer us, we can also come to realize that we are like artists, creating pictures of our life and then making choices and taking actions that will realize that we envisaged. Life is a blank canvas of possibility. We are in control of what the finished picture could look like. All laws of nature are completely perfect, and the law of attraction is no exception. No matter what we are looking to have or achieve or be in life, if we can hold into an idea and see it for ourselves in the mind's eye, we can make it our to have it. The most challenging part of acknowledging and accepting the truth that the law of attraction has to offer is coming to the realization that every single one of our experiences in life, good and bad, have been shaped by us alone. Once we have truly come to understand the true key behind the law of attraction, we can be renewed with hope and courage in the overwhelming knowledge that we are free to take charge of our life and free ourselves forever from the cycle of fear, worry, or negativity which has held us back for too long. Be happy, for the universe is always on our side. The more time we dictate to learning how to use the law of attraction effectively, the more fulfilling and rewarding our life can be. Thick and dark clouds sometimes obstruct the sun. When it happens, the surroundings darken. It is not a pleasant sight, but if we look at the clouds, we can see that their edges are full of silvery glow. This glow tells us that the sun is behind the clouds. As time passes, the clouds move off and the sun comes out of it. This proves that sorrows and pains are temporary. Wherever there is sorrow, will be somewhere nearby. The famous poet Shelley has expressed the idea in one of his poems, The Ode to the West Wind, in which he says, "If winter comes, spring is behind it." Like the silver tint on the edges of dark cloud, happiness always stays behind the darkest hour. It reminds us to be optimistic and hopeful. Whenever there is shadow, light should be nearby. And whenever there is darkness, the bright light is near. Every dark cloud has a silver lining, teaches us not to lose hope in hours of darkness and sorrow. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expects positive results. If we are positive, we anticipate happiness, success, and health. When we overcome any obstacle and difficulty, people are more disposed to help us if we are positive, and they dislike and avoid us if we are broadcasting negativity. So we have to be positive every time, as it always makes us successful. If we want to become positive from a negative mind setup, we have to work for it. In order to turn the mind toward the positive, some inner work is required. Since attitude and thoughts do not change overnight, the power of our thoughts is a mighty power that is always shaping our life. This shaping is usually done subconsciously, but it is possible to make the process a conscious one. Even if the idea seems strange, we have to give it a try. We have nothing to lose but only to gain. And one very important point is that if we want to become positive, we should look around our environment. Is there any person who is regularly trying to underestimate us? If there is any person in our life who is doing this, get rid of him, because that person emits negativity to us and we become negative. That's all for today, friends. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.